Hello, young mathematicians. I'm Mr. Dias. Today I will be teaching you how to plot ordered pairs in the first quadrant of a coordinate plane, and I will also show you how to identify the coordinates of points that are plotted in the first quadrant of a coordinate plane. A coordinate plane is a two-dimensional plane that is formed by the intersection of a horizontal line, which is the x-axis, and a vertical line, which is the y-axis. The x-axis goes from side to side, and the y-axis goes up and down. For problem number 1, we're going to plot the ordered pairs. There's 4 ordered pairs that I have. An ordered pair is two numbers that are separated by a comma and are enclosed in parentheses. The first number in the ordered pair is the x-coordinate, and the second number in the ordered pair is the y-coordinate. If you ever forget which is the x value and which is the y value, just think of the alphabet. X comes before y. So the first number is the x-coordinate and the second number is the y-coordinate. So to plot the ordered pair 9, 4, I need to go to 9 on the x-axis, then I need to go up 4, up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4. So I'm going to place a dot there, and I'm going to label that 9, 4. For the second ordered pair, we have 4 is the x-coordinate, and 9 is the y-coordinate. So that means I need to go to 4 on the x-axis, and I need to go up 9. Up 1, up 2, up 3, up 4, up 5, up 6, up 7, up 8, up 9. Where I have the red dot, that's the location of the ordered pair 4, 9. So I'm going to put a dot there and label that 4, 9. And for the next ordered pair, that is 5, 0, so the x-coordinate is 5 and the y-coordinate is 0. So I need to go to 5 on the x-axis, and I need to, since y is 0, I don't go up, I stay right there on the x-axis. So that the dot is at 5, 0. And the last ordered pair is 0, 7. The x-coordinate is 0, and the y-coordinate is 7. Since the x-coordinate is 0, I'm not going to go to the right. I'm going to stay right where I'm at. That is the location where x is 0. The intersection of the x and y axis has a location of x equals 0. And I do need to go up 7. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put a dot there. And I'm going to label that 0, 7. So we plotted the ordered pairs that were given to us, and now we're ready to go on to problem number 2. For problem number 2, we have points that are plotted in the first quadrant of a coordinate plane, and we need to come up with the ordered pairs for those locations. We're going to write the ordered pairs for those locations. So the first one is R, the ordered pair for R, and point R is over here. So I'm going to drop straight down, and I see that R is at 3 on the x-axis. I'm going to put a 3 there, and then I'm going to go to the left. From point R, go straight to the left, and I see that it's at 9 on the y-axis. So point R is at 3, 9. Let's go to the next order. The next point that we're looking for is E. Point E. Let's find point E. Point E is over here. So if I drop straight down, I'm at 1 on the x-axis. And if we go to the left, we're at 2 on the y-axis. So point E is at 1, 2. And the next point that we're looking for is point L. L is over here. So L is at 0 on the x-axis. If we go straight down, we're in 0 on the x-axis. And we're at 5 on the y-axis. So that's 0, 5. The next point we're looking for is point A. Point A is over here, so that's at 9 on the x-axis, and we're at 0 on the y-axis. So that's 9, 0. And then we have point X. Point X is at 7 on the x-axis and 7 on the y-axis. 7 on the x-axis, 7 on the y-axis. So that's at 7, 7. And that takes care of plotting points on the XY coordinate plane for the first quadrant, and finding the ordered pairs for points that are plotted in the first quadrant of the coordinate plane.